Hello, I'm Mansi Baviskar. I'm a pediatric dentist. Yes, we do specialization in treating children. Did you know that children suffer maximum from dental cavities? And this is mainly because of our change in lifestyle. What is the role of a pediatric dentist? It is to treat these dental caries as well as to prevent the dental caries. We all know that the teeth fall. So there is a misconception that if the teeth are bad or they are decayed, they do not need to be treated because they are going to fall. But there are number of reasons why dental caries in children should be treated. Okay, first of all is they are the basis for the permanent. So if your milk teeth are bad, there is a very high chance that your permanent teeth will also be bad. The second is that if your milk teeth are bad, there are chances that your permanent teeth will come crooked. Also, the child ends up suffering more from stomach problems, cold, cough repeatedly because their teeth are bad and they have got caries. So, children having dental caries should be treated. Also, early treatment is much better than waiting for a long time. Why is that so? First is that if you have come with a small dot, what pediatric dentist does is that he removes the dental caries and fills it with some sort of a cement. Gone are the days when silver cement was used. Now you have tooth-colored cements. As a result of which you don't even come to know that the treatment has been done. If we don't treat them when the dental caries is in the initial stages, it may progress. It may spread to the neighboring teeth, or it may go deep inside the tooth that has already been affected. This results in the second layer, that is the pulp, getting infected, and now your child will require something more elaborate, like a root canal treatment. Also, the child ends up suffering a bit more because he has got pain, swellings that can result in him missing out school. Root canal treatment is done on the child and then a cap is placed so that the tooth is in function again till the tooth falls. The last option should be and should never come into picture is extraction of the tooth, because extraction can result in malalignment and crooked teeth in the future. So be alert, and if you see any dots and black spots on your child's teeth, please go to the dentist and get them treated immediately. Thank you.